Once upon a time, there was a washerman who lived in a village. He used a donkey to carry people's clothes from the city to his village, and after washing them, he would take the clothes back to the city. This was the washerman's only way to make money, and he earned enough to live comfortably. However, he was very stingy. When he went to the city, he enjoyed delicious food, but he never fed his donkey, who worked hard all day. He didn't spend any money on food or water for the poor animal. As time passed, the donkey became weak and sick from hunger. His bones were showing, but the cruel washerman didn't care. One day, while the washerman was taking the clothes to the city, the weak donkey suddenly fell down because of hunger. The clothes fell into the dirt and got spoiled. The washerman was very angry, but he knew the donkey was too weak, so he didn't beat him. Instead, he started thinking about how he could feed the donkey without spending money. On the way back to the village, they passed through a forest, and the washerman found a lion's skin. An idea came to his mind, and he quickly put the lion's skin on the donkey. The next day, the washerman took the donkey, disguised as a lion, to a nearby field where people were working. When the workers saw the lion entering the field, they got scared and ran away. The donkey, wearing the lion's skin, was left alone to eat the grass happily. The washerman was happy because his donkey could eat without anyone stopping him. He started doing this every day. He would take the donkey to the fields, and people would run away, thinking it was a real lion. The donkey would eat the grass, and the washerman would watch from a distance. Soon, the donkey became healthy again, and the washerman was very pleased that he had found a way to feed his donkey without spending any money. However, the washerman didn't know that lies never last long. One day, as usual, the washerman took the donkey to the fields to eat. The workers saw the lion and started running away again. But this time, there was a wise man among them. He also started running, but then he noticed the lion eating grass. The wise man knew that lions don't eat grass. He looked around carefully and saw the washerman hiding behind a tree. The wise man understood everything. He called the workers back and explained the truth. They all decided to teach the washerman a lesson. Quietly, they walked up behind the washerman. When the washerman turned around and saw the angry workers, he knew he was in trouble. Before he could run, the workers caught him and beat him up. They also took away his donkey. From that day on, the washerman had to carry the clothes on his own shoulders, while the donkey's new owner took great care of him, giving him fresh grass from his fields to eat.